Hello and welcome to the latest video in the Surfer New Feature video series. Today I'll be demonstrating the new export options available for 3D models in Surfer. One of the most important parts of modeling your data is being able to share deliverables with your clients in a straightforward and simple way they understand. With Surfer, scientists and engineers can now export 3D site models that contain multiple layers of data to a shareable PDF that is customizable outside of Surfer itself and any stakeholder can view with a free PDF viewer. Surfer can export any map to a PDF, but to export to a 3D PDF, you must enter the 3D view. To do so, select the map object in the Contents window, and from the Properties, click View, 3D View. The final export will include all the layers that are turned on in the Contents window. You will be able to turn layers on and off in the final output, so include all potential layers you may want to show in one document now, knowing you can turn them off later. To begin the export process, navigate to the banner, and in the Tools section, click Export 3D. Select to save the model as a 3D PDF vector, and click Save. There are customizable export options that will help you manage the final size of your output and embed important properties, such as the font or coordinate system of the model. Once happy with your export options, click OK, and Surfer will quickly generate an easily shareable 3D PDF. After the PDF is created, it can be opened in a PDF viewing software, such as the free version of Adobe Acrobat. Within the PDF viewer, you can zoom and pan around the model as desired. And now, using the model tree, you can turn off individual layers just like within the Contents window of Surfer, providing you the control you need to either directly present a model to your client or selectively turn on layers, leave notes, and send the PDF to a client so they can review the documents themselves. If you want to take your models into a new dimension with Surfer's 3D features, download the free trial today by clicking the link in the description or visit our website, goldensoftware.com.